What's up, guys? Dave here with the 2016 Ford Mustang. And if you're familiar with the program Forscan, go to forscan.org and you can find out all about it. This is a program that allows you to make modifications to all kinds of controls within different modules of your car. And one annoying one is the seatbelt reminder. Some people want to turn it off. You can do that with Forscan, where you're in the IPC module configuration. Go down here to Chimes Driver Belt Minder and just disable it. You can also do it for a passenger belt minder. Same deal, disable that. And here's some other various things within this module. There's all kinds of cool stuff you can change or modify, as far as gauge selection or things like that. There's all kind of cool stuff. Anyway, I'm not going to get into all that. That's just for seatbelt chimes. Very annoying for many people. Anyway, check out our other stuff on our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff y'all might like. Motorcycle related, car related, dirt bike related, Harley Davidson's, Yamaha 2-strokes, Yamaha 4-strokes even, and all kinds of cool stuff. We're always adding something new. And Google Horsepower House. We're all over the internet, including Facebook, eBay, Amazon, and 2 YouTube channels. So check it out. Y'all have a great day.